Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this Nigerian stew, which can be served with rice, plantain, spaghetti, or whatever you have ready. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for coming through and thank you for stopping by. So lovelies, we'll be using these few ingredients of mine because in this video I actually want to show you that you can make a Nigerian stew without breaking the bank. Yes, without breaking the bank. I literally used all the things I have in my home. I didn't go further to say because I want to make stew I have to buy this or that. Yes, you heard me right. Okay, in my fridge I had this cow skin, which is called omo in Nigeria. Okay, I had to cut them into the sizes I'll be needing them for. I had this anla in my fridge. I brought it out from the freezer, went straight to fry them to be more crispy and better for the purpose of this stew. So I fried the fish for about 5 to 7 minutes, making sure they are golden brown and well fried. I went ahead to debone them to avoid giving my kids bone. So you too can debone, or if you don't have kids, you can also allow it to be like that. I fried my omo for a few minutes, just that it may be soft when I use it. Some omo comes out like they are soft, but when you cook them they turn out very strong. So in the same pot of oil I added onions and a little bit of seasoning cubes. Then went ahead to add my tomato paste. That's the tin tomato paste because I don't have much of fresh tomatoes available at that moment, so I had to use the tin tomatoes I had. When I found out that the tin tomatoes was already fried a little bit, I went in with my tomato mix, which comprises of fresh tomatoes, fresh pepper, fresh shombo, and onions with a little bit of crayfish added to it. So I allow them to incorporate properly with the oil and the already fried tomato paste. When you're frying your tomatoes, you can see in this video, it is still looking very fresh. See, no oil on top. When it properly fried, the oil will start coming up. You will see the oil will settle up. As it is now, is not okay yet. The oil is still mixed with the tomatoes, so allow it to fry. And please, when you're frying your tomatoes, keep stirring. If not, it will get burnt, and once your stew gets burnt, my dear, you will not like the outcome. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. These are the spices. You can use any spices of your choice. When I found out that my tomatoes had settled and properly cooked, I'll go in with my spices. Use any spices of your choice. As I said earlier, you don't need to say because I use oregano or because I use rosemary. Use what works for you, okay? Once you know that your tomatoes are well fried, it works better. Please note that I'm emphasizing on tomatoes being well fried because if you don't allow it to properly fry or properly cook before adding your ingredients, it gives it a very sour taste, making your stew not having a nice taste for anyone who tastes it. It slaps, yes, it slaps. That's the best language we use at home. This stew can slap. Oh. I hope you don't mind anyway. I'm just teasing you. So guys, go ahead and stir until everything is well combined. Add your protein, add your fish or whatever you'll be needing. So guys, our stew is ready, just as you can see in this video. I even added my ice fish at this point. I covered, then allowed to cook for a few minutes, and I added a little water also, so my ingredients and my spices will be well cooked. Adding water to your stew is a choice. Some people don't like it while some prefer it. Myself, I like to add little water, cover and allow it to cook for at least 5 minutes before I can bring it down. That is to make sure that everything is well cooked. This is me checking if the rice was already done, and then check up on the stew after a few minutes. Here, the food is ready. Guys, bring your plate, bring your rice, your spaghetti, your plantain. Yes, you can serve with anything of your choice, with any supplements, okay? So I hope this video is useful. I hope you found something interesting in this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and like for more videos, okay? Thank you for watching as always, and I do hope to see you in my next video. Hula, this is our rice and stew for Sunday. But come on, who said in Nigeria there will always be rice and stew on Sundays? Even our kids are growing up to know the same thing we thought it was right. Like when we are growing up, I literally thought that the white rice and stew are just for Sunday, because my mom keeps cooking any other kind of rice on other days, but you see Sunday it has to be rice and stew. Who stamped this? Who said it? And who authorized it? Well, we go by the trend. Our kids are still hopeful. You can see their plates are all filled up with rice and stew with vegetable salad. Guys, will you be trying this my pattern of stew making at home, or do you like this video? Please don't forget to comment at least. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye. I love you guys.